Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a retirement fund with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To build a retirement fund with Fidelity, start by setting clear retirement goals. Determine how much money you will need to retire comfortably. Consider your desired lifestyle, expenses, and any debts you want to pay off. Next, create a Fidelity account if you don't already have one. Visit the Fidelity website or download the app. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, assess your current financial situation. Review your income, savings, and any existing retirement accounts. Start by contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. If your employer offers a 401k, enroll in the plan to take advantage of potential matching contributions. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer a plan, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. Select between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA based on your tax situation and retirement timeline. Decide how much to contribute to your retirement account each month. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement, including employer contributions. Begin investing your contributions wisely. Fidelity offers a variety of investment options including mutual funds, ETFs, and consider a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Use Fidelity's tools and resources to research different investment options. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio as market conditions change. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistency in your saving habits. Track your retirement fund's progress through Fidelity's online tools. Monitor your performance at least once a year to stay on track with your goals. Consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about changes in retirement laws and investment options. As you move closer to retirement, shift towards more conservative investments to protect your savings. Utilize Fidelity's retirement planning calculators to project your future savings. Explore additional savings options, like health savings accounts, to further enhance your retirement security. Finally, review your retirement strategy regularly and make adjustments as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.